Likelihood ratio negative. Likelihood ratio negative is a statistic commonly reported in diagnostic trials that reports the likelihood that a given test result would be expected in a patient without the target condition as compared to a patient with the target condition. Consider the case of a urinalysis as a diagnostic test to rule out a urinary tract infection as a source of fever and infection in ICU trauma patients with an indwelling urinary catheter. To calculate the likelihood ratio negative, you take the patients with a negative urinalysis, 142, over the total number of patients without a urinary tract infection, 232, divided by the number of patients with a positive urinalysis, 14, over the total of patients with a urinary tract infection, 14. In this case, the likelihood ratio negative is 0. This tells us there is no chance a patient with a urinary tract infection will have a negative urinalysis. Clinically, there is strong evidence to support a urinalysis is a reliable diagnostic test to rule out a urinary tract infection. Likelihood ratio negative.